Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at another feature in Microsoft Excel called duplicate. A duplicate in Excel is a value or row that appears more than once in a spreadsheet. It can be numbers or texts. If you look at my table, I have text. Now, I want to remove the duplicate text on this table. Now, the first thing I want to do is to know the number of duplicate tests on this column. So what I will need to do is to use conditional formatting to know the number of tests first, and then now apply my feature, or now use my feature. Now the first thing I will need to do is to highlight and then come to my conditional formatting, duplicate values. I'll click. So light red fill with dark red text. Okay, so now if you look at here, I have 9 duplicate text. Now I'll clear it. Now I'll come back to my conditional formatting, clear cells, clear rows, then clear rows from selected cells. So now after highlighting, I will come back to the data here and I'll click my remove duplicates. I'll click continue with the current selection, remove duplicates. I'll click OK. 5 duplicate values found and removed, 15 unique values remain. I'll press my OK. So I have 15 unique names. Now I will delete here. Then for the border grid, I will come to home, click here, and then no border. And I can just put a new grid here. Just click, then all borders. Now I hope you learned something. If you find this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.